Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we uncover a major leap in cancer detection as a breakthrough blood test shows real promise in identifying dozens of hard-to-spot cancers early, offering doctors crucial clues about tumor origins and transforming how quickly life-saving treatment can begin. And the latest NHS trial offers a remarkable glimpse into its true potential. Researchers say a blood test for more than 50 types of cancer showed enormous promise in an extensive NHS study. The test successfully identified 2 out of every 3 malignancies among 5,000 individuals in England and Wales who had seen their GP with unsure symptoms. It also showed the primary location of cancer in 85% of the confirmed cases. The Galleri test searches for specific variations in genetic code leaking from various malignancies. Early detection of curable cancer can save lives. The test is still a work in progress, according to the Oxford University experts, but it might boost the number of malignancies discovered. Patients frequently have symptoms, such as weight loss, that have a variety of probable reasons and need several testing and hospital visits. More than 350 people in the trial, which was the largest of its type in patients with suspected cancer symptoms, were later diagnosed with cancer using standard procedures, including scans and biopsies. Approximately 75% of individuals who tested positive on the blood test were confirmed to have cancer. Cancer was discovered in 2.5% of individuals who tested negative. Although not accurate enough to rule in or rule out cancer, the test was really useful for patients, lead researcher Professor Mark Middleton told BBC. The test was 85% accurate in detecting the source of the cancer, and that can be really helpful because so many times it is not immediately obvious when you have got the patient in front of you what test is needed to see whether their symptoms are down to cancer, he said. With that prediction from the test, we can decide whether to order a scope or a scan and make sure we are giving the right test the first time, he added. The findings will be presented at the annual meeting of the American Society of Clinical Oncology in Chicago. The NHS has also been testing the Galleri test, developed by the Californian company Grail, on thousands of patients who have no symptoms to determine if it may detect hidden malignancies. The first findings are due next year, and if successful, the NHS in England intends to expand the deployment to 1 million more patients in 2024 and 2025. The test is especially effective in detecting cancers that are difficult to detect, such as head and neck, bowel, lung, pancreas, and throat cancers. This study is the first step in testing a new way to identify cancer as quickly as possible, being pioneered by the NHS. Earlier detection of cancer is vital, and this test could help us to catch more cancers at an earlier stage and help save thousands of lives. NHS National Director for Cancer Professor Peter Johnson told BBC. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.